Here I have iPad Air 5th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to disable live photo feature on this device. So like every time you open camera, you have this live photo enabled for some reason, but like maybe if you don't want to take live photo right now, you just have to take a quick picture, but unfortunately it always sets this live photo by default, which is like takes longer to take, which like weighs more megabytes and completely useless. So you really want to disable this feature. I'm gonna show you how. Just go to settings, go to the camera section, go to the preserve settings, and here you can preserve live photos. Preserve the live photo settings rather than automatically being reset to live photo turned on. So when you have this feature enabled, you just disable live photo once, and now every time you open your camera, it will still be disabled until you turn it on yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.